What's up guys? Today we're going to be installing our vented rear windshield on this Honda Talon 1000R. Let's get right to it. The first thing you're going to want to do is take your rear windshield, lay it on your machine, and confirm that it fits. We've already done this, so we're going to go ahead and remove our protective film. So now we're going to take our bulb seal, and we're going to install it with the bulb portion of the seal facing up if you're on the inside of the rear windshield. So one way to tell if you're on the inside of the rear windshield is your vent will say push to open. You want this to be facing up on your table when you're installing the bulb seal. So we're going to start right here on this edge, and we're going to run all the way around the windshield and end it right here on this edge. Let's go ahead and get it started. So now we're going to grab our lower bracket. You'll have two of them. They'll be identical in design. Then we're going to grab our short Allens. So we're going to grab our short Allen-headed hardware out of the kit and install the sealing washer and ensuring that the seal portion is facing away from the head. So we're going to grab our bracket, take our hardware, slide it through the hole in the windshield, then take a nylock nut out of the kit, start the hardware. We'll do that for both holes, and then we'll repeat the same steps for the opposite side.
Action.
Like I said, same process on this side. So now we're going to take our top bracket. It's going to lay just like this on the inside of the rear windshield with our hardware coming from the outside to the inside. And this is the same exact hardware that we previously used on our other bracketry. Just get it started, hand tight. So it should look just like this. So once you have your brackets installed loosely, it's time to install the windshield to the machine. Just gonna grab it, come to the side, slide it through. Got to kind of go back and forth and work each side in evenly. And our lower bracket that we previously installed to the windshield needs to go over the tube on the cage of the machine. You want to make sure when you install the windshield to the machine that the lower bracket that we previously installed goes over top of the tube on the cage of the machine. So for this next step, we're going to be installing our hardware to the upper bracket that we previously installed. If you do not have a SuperATV roof, you will use the hex head hardware included in the kit. We have a SuperATV roof equipped on this machine, so we remove the hardware out of the roof, and then we're just going to reinstall this bolt directly through our bracket and into the bracket on our roof. So we'll just push our windshield in until our hole lines up. We're just going to run that in hand tight for now. We will come back and tighten these two bolts as well as this bolt. So now we're going to take our heavy duty Velcro strap and install it to the windshield around the tube of the cage. So we have an enclosure on this machine, so what we're going to have to do is going to be a little bit more tricky than what you're going to have to do. So I'm going to have to feed this strap through as far as I can get it, and then I'm going to have to go to the inside of the machine and route this strap through the hole in the windshield, through my clamp, tighten it, and fasten it. That was pretty acrobatic, not gonna lie. So now we're going to fully tighten our hardware, securing our rear windshield to our roof. Then we're going to fully tighten our brackets on the bottom of the windshield, as well as the top of the windshield. So when you go to tighten the top hardware, it's definitely nice to have somebody to help you. It can be difficult to get in there and tighten it by yourself. So once you have all your hardware tightened up, everything's installed, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's rear vented windshield on this Honda Talon 1000R. Be sure to check the description below for a link to pick yours up today. And while you're there, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.